In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume in Gemini. Start by opening Gemini on whatever device you prefer. On a computer, go to gemini.google.com in your browser. On a phone, launch the Gemini app. Make sure you're signed in and give yourself a blank chat so you can keep everything for your resume in one place. That way, each section you generate stays easy to edit and refine. We'll build your resume section by section using clear prompts. Begin with the professional summary. Type something like, write a professional summary for a resume for someone with X years of experience in industry or role, highlighting skills in skills and achievements in accomplishments. Replace the brackets with your details and ask for a concise 3 to 4 sentence result. If you want a specific tone, add it, such as results-driven, collaborative, or customer-focused. If the first draft is too generic, ask Gemini to include measurable outcomes, adjust the tone, or tailor it for a target role. Next, move to work experience. Prompt with, write bullet points for my work experience for a job title at company, where I did key duties or task details and achieved results. Request action-oriented bullets that start with strong verbs and include metrics like percentages, dollar impact, or time saved. If you have multiple roles, do one at a time for clarity. You can also ask Gemini to keep tense consistent, past tense for previous roles, and present tense for your current one, and to limit bullets to the most relevant contributions. For the skills section, ask, list 8 to 10 relevant skills for a resume targeting a specific job or industry. If you have a job posting, paste key requirements and ask Gemini to align the skills with that description. You can specify whether you want a simple comma-separated line or short phrases, and you can request a balance of technical and interpersonal skills that match your field. Now, format education. Use. Format this education section for a resume, your degree, school name, dates, honors or activities. Ask Gemini to present it in a clean, resume-ready style with consistent abbreviations and date formatting. If you're a recent graduate, you can tell it to emphasize coursework, honors, or projects. If you're more experienced, ask it to keep education concise. At any point, prompt Gemini to tailor the language for a specific role or industry, make it ATS-friendly, or match a particular job description. Avoid sharing sensitive personal details. Stick to professional information only. When you're satisfied, review for accuracy, tone, and clarity, and refine prompts until each section feels crisp, specific, and aligned with your goals.